Welcome to all of you. As you know, we are here today to discuss a wide range of issues, since Internet pharmacy services and medicine services are of relevance of several policy areas on which we are deciding here at the EU level. I'm glad that we have today with us a broad panel of speakers representing almost all stakeholders involved. You may not be surprised, but I believe that this is first an issue of public health and patient safety. Internet is a wonderful communication tool which offers exceptional opportunities for users. However, we need to remain vigilant so that such a tool does not become a threat to public health or a new risk for patient safety. And there are a couple of things that we still could not do on Internet. And I believe as the e-medicine and e-pharmacies, it might be extremely difficult to guarantee safety, and as well we could not do babies, for example, on Internet. This is not about technology against safety. This is about good practices and public health outcomes. And we are facing a large number of challenges, such as the sale of counterfeit medicines via the Internet, e-prescription and e-consultation, which could lead to a serious risk for patients, or misleading information on disease management and treatment. Let's make sure that Internet opportunities and the benefit it can bring in terms of health system sustainability and disease management are delivering concrete outcomes and are fully protecting patients. Our discussions will obviously also resonate with the current discussion with the European Parliament on falsified medicines. The Commission proposals aim at protecting the legal chain of supply from the entry of falsified medicines, but we obviously need to look at the channels used by counterfeiters, and we know that Internet is one of the main ones, and even there is a WHO study on this which shows that 50% from the medicines which are sold via Internet are counterfeited. Finally, today's debate also needs to be looked at from an internal market point of view. Several questions certainly need to be raised on this matter. Is the current legislation properly enforced? How can we ensure that free movement of goods and services while guaranteeing healthcare and patient safety? And do we need to further legislate on Internet practices when it comes to pharmaceutical products and medicinal services? As members of the European Parliament, we have a responsibility to raise these questions, but we also need to work towards finding answers and taking actions. This is why we are all here today, and I hope we will have a fruitful debate. So let's start the debate, and let's take all the points of view, and let's contradict different ideas and see whether we could come up with a summary on what might be the best practice and the best piece of legislation, or probably the best policy that could protect patient safety, but at the same time to be fully in compliance with the internal market rules. So now our first contributor, it's Marian.